here's the American modified grill.
I've got some good instructions, some hardware, wiring, brackets, and hardware. Alright, and there's the grill. Okay, so it has a really good shine to it. Nice thickness, nice honeycomb, clear lights in here. There's no dings, there's no scratches. The back of it, it has the direct plugs. 1, 2, 3 plugs. It also looks like it has the actual inserts for the brackets. And this thing might even be removable. It has all these screws on it. You can actually remove the grill if you want. I don't see why. It looks great with it. But maybe you want to add the RAM in there. It's up to you, right? Okay, so you see the wires actually have the 3 direct connections to these. And the positive and negative. Positive and ground. And then it has the actual brackets that go in here. And again, I don't know where exactly these go, but we'll figure it out. And some good hardware. My guess is that's how it goes, but oh, let's just look at these instructions, bro. Alright, so these shouldn't be too hard to figure out. We just got to figure out how the old one is set up, and we'll do the exact same thing. What's up, guys? We're going to do a quick, not quick. Today we're going to replace the front grille on the Dodge Ram. These just pop off, right?
Yep. And then you have your 4 bolts here. 4 bolts, and then once you remove the 4 bolts, there's like a hook, a plastic hook underneath. So, and some of them are a little clip that you have to kind of pull back.
Yep.
Almost feels like you break it off. But
You ain't gonna.
no. You want to remove these things?
Yeah.
What bolts are these? 10 millimeter?
Yeah.
So this grill, if you remember, it does not fit with this new bumper we got. So the new bumper was really, it's nice, tough bumper, but it's sized wrong because this is a 2012 and older, and the grill needs to be a newer model, 2013, I think. Okay, so the bolts are already removed. Now it just comes off, and then what? Pick it up.
Yeah. So then there's clips. Or what actually? They these clips right here. There's one right here, and there's another right there for
okay, so
ours.
it pops out.
Yeah, they just pop out. Kind of feels like you're gonna break them, but you don't really. And that's how the whole thing comes up.
Cool. Awesome. So it's pretty simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where the clip goes in, but this also comes up to hold it in. Okay, we got 4 of these on each side, and then 4 of these on each side, and these just hold these in. And then these, we got 3 and 3, which are gonna hold these guys in. Just gotta figure out which way they go. Okay, now does these matter which way they go? This, I think it would go this way now.
Maybe. Maybe just for the looks of it.
Yeah, I think it's because of the flatness there. Yeah, so I would say it goes like that.
Oh, it has right and left on it. It's left side, it's right side, yeah.
Which is the left side of a vehicle? What's the left side of a vehicle? Facing it?
Facing it?
Is that the left or is that the left? Okay, we got the 4. These are 10 millimeter bolts that go on here. So we can go ahead and just screw these on. Go ahead and put these on. And then we have 3 to go on this side. See, there's 4 holes, but actually only 3 of them were used, and these are just a Phillips. Don't go crazy with the tightening it.
Yeah, I didn't.
It don't have to be too tight. Okay, so this needs to be like facing the actual grill. This is right. That means this has to be the right one also, and then this is left. This has to be the left one also. All right, so we got the American modified grill, and it's been modified. Does that make sense? What? Okay, we got the American modified grill. It actually fits in there pretty well if it was the right year. Because it's not, the brackets are a little bit off. So we kind of made this little adapter, like a little L-shaped piece of metal here. Can you see that? And we screwed the clips that come from the original grill, and then we screwed it in here. We just tested it and it fits perfect. And then this lines up. We did have to turn these around, so instead of facing this way, they're actually upside down to get a little lower angle. We'll show you that on in a bit. Now we have to do the wiring itself, and we're looking to go off the passenger side daylight running light to connect these in. All right, so over here on the truck, we actually have the cinder amber light plugs already set up. They're wired through here, zip tied in all the way through here, and out the back, they're connected directly to the passenger headlight, okay? And we are spliced in just positive, negative to the driving lights. We're just gonna wrap this up and zip tie them. Let's keep it nice, tight out of the way. And this just clips on in the back. Clips on in the back over there. Then it has 2 10mm bolts, one there and one there.
I was just trying to find this little ball to sit on there.
Got it. There it goes. Clip. 10mm. Alright, go straight. Alright, this is back on, nice and tight. Wiring there. All right there is going to plug in straight. Good, we'll pop this in now to our newly made brackets.
Holy crap, look at that.
Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, get the screws. Down the table.
These are the original 10mm screws, the 4 of them. We'll hold that back in, and then we'll be able to actually just wire this right in there. All right, so now we're gonna put the 10mm bolts all back in, nice and snug. These are the ones that aren't gonna be too tight, because if you can tell these are backwards, these are upside down. This is right out of the way. Okay, let's. All right, and then finally, probably goes upside. Yeah, there you go. Turn it around. But I don't think it goes over here, bro.
Huh?
There you go.
Wait.
All right, guys, don't forget to check out AmericanModified.com. Tons of products, good quality, lots of options. All right, guys, so these are the actual Ram grills that they got, and they go back to 2006 all the way up to 2024. Lots of options here. This is the one that we did. Came out pretty good. Alright guys, that's it. Thanks again for watching. Thanks Vic for helping make the video. Thanks Angela for helping with the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out some of the other videos that I have also, alright? Deuce.